Have you ever wondered how you can turn your time on Facebook into a money-making venture? Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just someone looking to monetize your online presence, Facebook offers a variety of ways to generate income. Imagine earning money through engaging videos, live events, or even direct fan support. In this video, we'll explore 6 effective strategies to help you leverage Facebook's features to create a sustainable income stream. From in-stream ads to paid subscriptions, we've got you covered with tips and real-life examples to help you get started. Number 1. Create videos with in-stream ads. In-stream ads are a powerful tool for grabbing the attention of a captive audience. These ads play during a video, making viewers more likely to watch them in full to get back to the content they were enjoying. This method is perfect for creators and brands with a sizable following. In-stream ads in action. Bottled water brand Life TR used in-stream ads to boost brand awareness. They showcased their community art projects through short, visually appealing ads that played during other videos on Facebook Watch. The result? A 2-fold increase in brand awareness and a 1.9 times higher ad recall. Why it worked? Life UTR's ads told compelling stories, keeping the audience engaged and interested. This method works because it leverages the audience's existing interest in the content they're watching. Get started. To use in-stream ads, make sure your videos are over 1 minute long and meet Facebook's eligibility criteria. You'll need at least 10,000 page followers to run these ads. Plan your videos with natural pauses where ads can be inserted smoothly. Think about the stories you want to tell and how they align with your brand's message. Number 2. Add a paid subscription to your page. Fan subscriptions offer a way to generate consistent monthly revenue from your most loyal followers. By paying a recurring fee, subscribers can access exclusive content and benefits. Fan subscriptions in action. The Vegan Baker uses fan subscriptions to offer exclusive content and discounts to supporters. Fans pay $4.99 a month and can also send additional tips via Facebook's Stars feature. Why it worked. This approach allows the Vegan Baker to monetize an active audience while rewarding loyal fans. The Stars feature helps identify popular content and boosts engagement. Get started. Fan subscriptions are invitation only for now. You can unlock them with 10,000 followers or 250 return viewers and either 50,000 post engagements or 180,000 watch minutes. Once invited, create a promotional video to launch your subscription service and a thank you video to welcome new subscribers. Number 3. Collaborate with brands. Collaborating with brands is a powerful way to expand your reach and diversify your content. By partnering with relevant brands, you can tap into their audience and boost your follower count and engagement. Many brands are eager to work with influencers, creators, and other companies to reach new audiences and increase brand awareness. Brand collaboration in action. Style Now Feed partnered with Jasper's Boutique to create engaging content for followers of both brands. This paid partnership allowed them to share relevant content that resonated with their combined audience. Users could click on posts to learn more about each brand, creating a seamless blend of discovery and engagement. Why it worked. The collaboration was successful because Style Now Feed and Jasper's Boutique had similar but not identical audiences. This overlap allowed them to reach new followers who already had a connection with their partner brand, effectively expanding their reach. Get started. To begin collaborating with brands, request access to tag business partners in your posts. Use the Brand Collabs Manager to find collaboration opportunities and gain insights. This strategy is best suited for pages with an active and loyal following and content that aligns well with potential partners' values. By collaborating, you can create fresh, engaging content that benefits both you and your partner brands. Number 4. Earn money directly from your fans. Earning money directly from your fans is a great way to monetize your content. Facebook Stars allows fans to show their appreciation by purchasing and sending stars during live streams or video plays. Each star sent to your content is worth 1 cent, providing a steady stream of income from your most engaged followers. Organic content rewards in action. Paula Garcia, a popular content creator, has successfully utilized Facebook Stars to monetize her large following. She creates reels specifically for Facebook, combining various monetization tactics to maximize her earnings. Paula also gets sponsors for her reels, enhancing her revenue streams. Why it worked. Paula's strategy worked because she already had a substantial engaged following. By tapping into Facebook's monetization features, she could earn directly from the viewers who value her content the most. Get started. Facebook stars are available to level up members and managed partners. Once you're signed up, you'll receive alerts when viewers send you stars. Track your star count and earnings in Meta Business Suite to see how your content performs. This direct fan support method is ideal for creators with a dedicated audience who enjoy interactive and engaging content. By leveraging Facebook stars, you can build a reliable income stream while fostering a closer connection with your fans. Number 5. Run paid events online. Engage your followers through live, paid events they can enjoy from home. This feature is ideal for creators and businesses transitioning from in-person to online events. Paid events in action. Jasper's Market uses Facebook's paid events feature to host and advertise events. Fans can purchase access directly from the brand's page, generating buzz and ensuring attendees don't miss out. Why it worked. Online events allow Jasper's Market to reach new audiences and engage followers who might not be in the same location. The feature also generates excitement and anticipation for upcoming events. Get started. Enable paid online events on your page and create a new event under the Events tab. Choose the paid option, fill in the details, and set your price. Ensure your account meets Facebook's monetization eligibility criteria before starting. Number 6. Drive visitors to your online store. Use Facebook's social commerce features to direct shoppers from your page to your online store. This is perfect for brands looking to capture mid-scroll consumers with shoppable ads. Shoppable posts in action. Clothing brand Queen Shop boosted sales by using Facebook's live shopping feature. They reached consumers online and directed them to their website with a product CTA in the video. This resulted in a 1.7 times higher return on ad spend and a 3.3% increase in cart additions. Why it worked. Queen Shop engaged ready-to-buy fans by reducing steps in the buying process. Directing shoppers straight to the product page made purchasing easy and instant. Get started. Add your product catalog to Facebook in the Catalog Manager. Link relevant products in your posts, images, or videos. During live streams, feature products to guide viewers to purchase links. Facebook offers numerous opportunities to turn your online presence into a profitable venture. Whether through in-stream ads, fan subscriptions, brand collaborations, direct fan support, paid events, or driving traffic to your online store, there's a method for every type of content creator and business. Diversify your income streams to ensure stability and growth, and make the most of Facebook's vast audience to boost your earnings. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.